Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a back camera glass on your Samsung Galaxy S8. As you can see on right here, you'll need to heat it up first. If you have like a heater gun or a blower or anything, you just heat it up pretty good. And then use something sharp like knife or anything sharp and start from one of the corners, as you can see right here. Start from this side and start lifting up the leftovers of the glass, of broken glass, as you can see right here. You move all the way around. You can just pull on one of the corners and everything just came off. It's really easy. And now you can buy one of these camera glasses. I'll provide a link below. And then you can use glue for one of this back glass, anything you want. Or there is going to be adhesive, it will come with it. So I usually like to use glue, it's just a little bit easier for me. I just try to go all the way around. This one is adhesive too. It's really easy too. If you mess it up, you can wipe it off. Really easy. And once it dries, it's really easy to, as you can see, really easy installation. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.